Hello, my buddy. I am Luna, and welcome back to English with Luna. I'm super happy you're here today because we're going to talk about something we all love. Friends. You know, the people who make life fun, who make you laugh, and sometimes who even get you in trouble, but in a good way. Who are my friends? So, let me tell you about my friends. My best friend is named Isabella. She's incredible, funny, smart, and a little crazy, just like me. And guess what? Very, very soon, I'll bring her here to the podcast so you can meet her too. When I say best friend, in English, it means your closest, most important friend. You can say, she is my best friend. He is my best friend. Easy, right? What do we do together? With my friends, I love to hang out. That's another important expression. To hang out means to spend time together, doing fun things. For example, I hang out with my friends after school. Let's hang out this weekend. One of our favorite things is going out to eat. Yes, sometimes we go for pizza, but also we love trying new food. We've been to small street food places, to cafes where we spent hours talking, and once we even stayed in a restaurant until they almost kicked us out because we couldn't stop laughing. Now, let me share something a little shocking. One time, Isabella and I traveled to another country together. We didn't know the city well, but we wanted to explore. Somehow, we ended up in the wrong bus, and instead of going to the shopping center, we ended up in a neighborhood we didn't know at all. At first, we were scared, but then we discovered the most amazing street market. Music everywhere, people dancing, colors, food we had never tried before. It turned into one of the best adventures of our lives. That's what happens when you're with good friends. Even mistakes can become unforgettable memories. Now, let's learn a few more words about friends. Close friend. A friend you trust a lot. Example, she is a close friend of mine. Childhood friend. A friend you've known since you were little. Example, he's my childhood friend. We met in school. Buddy or pal are casual words for friend. Example, hey buddy, what's up? Example, he's my pal from college. And of course, to make friends. To meet new people and become friends. Example, I made new friends when I started this class. Friendship is really important, not only in life, but also in learning English. Because when you practice English with friends, it feels natural, fun, and not boring at all. That's why today, I encourage you to go and use these expressions with your own friends. Say, let's hang out, or you are my best friend. Practice and enjoy it. Thank you for staying with me today. Remember, my name is Luna, and this is English with Luna. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. And soon, I'll bring Isabella here so you can meet her too. See you next time, my buddy. Bye!